Hello everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial of Wix. So today I'm going to show you how you can add a button and pin it to your home page of your Wix site. So let's say you want to button like Senators or any CTA or any other button that you want to make it fixed or pinned on your home page of your Wix site. So maybe it can be on the other page, but mostly it's on the home page only. So you can add it to home page and pin it, and it can just scroll with the site. So to start with, I opened one of the editor of my website. So now what I will do is I will add a simple button. So I will just click this blue button, add like city like call us, and I will just set it to 90 degrees and just add it towards the light. We'll just align it to right and just click right click and click here the second touch option pin to spin. So as you can see in the spin, and here is the settings for offset. Offset is like a distance or a padding that you want to set horizontally as well as vertically to set it and to fix it, like we have done in this we have done a pin thing. So I just do this 0. Now it is again aligned to the right, topmost right, and we just replace this and try to put it to the center. As you can see, it is now in the center. So now I will preview it. Let's see how it works. So as you can see, it's scrolling through the site. So this is how you can do it. This. So I hope you got this. Whatever I taught, I hope you understood. So please try this on your own if you are here for a solution or this video. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thanks a lot.